Hello guys, welcome back to another video. For today pala, tayo ay maglalaro ng Brookhaven. Tapos, maglalaro tayo ng Brookhaven. At, gagala lang tayo dito. Maglalaro lang tayo. Nga lang guys. Mag-update sila. Dito, kinuha ko tong pero gusto ko ito. Try ko nga ito. Wala, ito na lang. Gagawin ko itong sa pit 9 save slot normal lang naman talaga siya. Ito guys, tignan natin to. Gangster, ang buhay ng gangster, buhay ng gangster. Ito gusto ko. Yan. Talaga na ito. Ito. Hello. Come here. Blah, blah, blah. Yes, no, believe it. You know, may ganun na sila. Bawal na kasi mag-get dito. Kailangan ng bayaran. Diba? Kailangan i-unlock. O diba? Ayoko yan. Cancel bro. I don't like that. Let me just play Brookhaven. Marami siyang quick chat. Yeah. Here will come a soldier who carries a mighty sword and will tear your city down. Oh, la, Lord. Saan yun? Yung ano ko. Wala ba ako dito yung ano? Wala nga ako ditong militar. Pero to, sige nyo to. Here will come a soldier who carries a mighty sword. May ambulance. Police ko. Yes. Nakain ko to. Hindi niya pa nilak. Ako ba nagbibigay sakyan? Ouch. Here will come a soldier. May Robux to. May Robux to. Sa update lang talaga to. This is not your own vehicle. And I don't care. Ay, nililit. Okay. Ganyan pala. Wala akong Robux. Hehe. Ano lang. Bus. Gusto niya ba? Bus. Sa'yo ko, bus. Ito na lang. Cannot span at location. What do you mean, bro? Bro, what do you mean, bro? What do you mean cannot span at location? Maybe you can span it right here. Okay. Okay, guys. Lang, guys. Ito guys, ito gusto ko guys, yan. Here will come a soldier, carries a mighty sword. Apo. Isa principal. Ito na guys. Wala, ba't bawal mag-warps? May, ano po pala yan? Robux to. Diba may Robux pa? Ang pangit naman na ito. Here will come a soldier who carries a mighty sword. Babanggain ko ang maliit na batang ito. Let me change my avatar. This is a boy? Bakit to? Ay nga. May ganun na pala si Roblox. Uy! May ganito na rin. Oh my god. Yes. Yes, I can finally turn into weird stops. Ba't ko naman maging gustong weird stops? Here will come a soldier who carries a mighty sword. Oh, ito. Gusto ko to. Yeah, brother. This is what I want. At guys, yes. I want this. Yeah. Oh, si Hulk smash. The Hulk. Smash. Oh my god. Here will come a Hulk smash. Okay, this is a mighty Hulk. Bro. I will save this outfit. Look, I'm gonna put it right here and then save. Hulk. Yeah. I'm gonna destroy this. Last Hulk nakasakay. Sakay po. Thanks. Pwede ko itong ma-drive. Ay, may tao ito sa loob. Kidnap ko siya. Kidnap ang maganda. Kikidnap ka ni Hawk. Kidnap ka ni Hawk, my brother. My brother, I'm so sorry, my brother. I'm so sorry. Kidnap ka ni Hawk. I'm so sorry, brother. I'm so sorry. We're going into the water. Oh my god. Ba't di siya umaalis? Okay. Hello. Kasi tubig ka na. Teleport na nga siya. Yeah. Uy. Tignan mo pag nag-teleport ka. Ano to? Ano? Baka. Gusto ko to. Wala Robux. Pero may Robux. Ay. Libre? Ala. Ay, ba naman nakala ko libre na. Akala ko man libre na. Wala man pala. Pwede mo lang ani. Oh my god. Akala ko man okay. Ang lakas nyo. You know what? I don't like this, bro. I want it. Like, I want Robux, brother. Brother, I want Robux. Brother. Here will come a soldier who carries a mighty sword. Let me screenshot this. Okay. Here will come a soldier who carries a mighty sword. Let me change my avatar. I wanna change it. Can I please change it? I wanna change it. Oh, I wanna be 6'7". Oh my god, I turned 6'7". Yes. I am 6'7" now. I am 6'7". Yo, bro, I'm 6'7". Yo, bro, 6'7". What is this? What the? Ano to, bro? Nawala. Ala. Ayoko tong pang... Ay. Froggy! Si Froggy. Frogs. Bagat. Ay, parag ba to? Butiki ata to eh. Butiki nga to, butiki. Ay, mabilis maglakad ng butiki. Ito may secret base yan dito. Ba? Yan. Hide in that. No. Oh my god, it's so scary. It's so scary. Oh. Okay. Oh my god, it's so scary. You can kidnap kids and put them here if they are being bad boys. Hey, house party teleport. You can have house parties, yo bro. Yes, bro. You have house party, bro. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna do a little dance. I'm gonna do a little dance. I'm doing post 28. I will come a soldier who carries a mighty sword. He will tear the city down and he will come a soldier who carries a mighty sword. He will tear the city. What the? Bro! Ala! Nangyari, may balbas! Here will come a soldier who carries a mighty sword. There you sit it down. They're gonna get creeped out. Represente ba? Yo, tignan natin kung paano siya umpo. Hey! Okay, paano siya umakit ng ganun? Oh, cemetery. Bro, I'm so scared. This is gonna be so scary. I told you I was sick. Yeah, you invite me to party. Thank you. Oh, don't tell me this was the party. I'm gonna do a little dance. Do you wanna play with me? I mean, dance with me? Can I be your parent? Can you adopt me? Ayo, heart. Utot ako. May lumalabas guys. Ayun, tignan. Parang umuutot ako. Ayun. Ay. La. Ang lakas ng hangin. Nagsarado yung pinto namin. Ang tagal na naman magsalita. Ano sabi niya? Go and sleep. Ay, ano nangyari dito? I wanna watch. Then, but I thought I was adopted. Why you always banning me? You are inviting me, you're gonna ban me. Bro, what? Come on, climb. Yeah, let me up! Let me up, bro! Barriers. Waiting, let me climb. I'm afraid of water, bro! Uy, there's a car. Go. Family. Create family. Add. Okay. Ay, dumaan lang. Muntik na ako mabangga. Friends. I want your Ben cute. This. Yan, lad. I wanna invite him to my family. Yes. I'm running. Yeah, let me up. Yeah, I'm in a hotel. I want this house. I'm gonna put my house into this. Wait, no, not that. This. No, get me in. I don't need to lock my doors because I don't care. They're gonna be afraid of me. We can not relax. There. Woo! Look at that, bro. Ooh, ito. And I don't care kung nakawin nila money ko. I don't need money. Let me take a bath. So refreshing. I want to take a shower. I want to take a shower, not sounds. So, gawin pumasok ko tao. What? Hindi naman ako, nakabantay ako. Hehehe. Subscribe before I eat you. Bye!